Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a Tesla Cybertruck in Minecraft full guide. Start by selecting a flat 30x20 block area, then gather iron blocks, black concrete, glass panes, slabs, and stairs. Lay a 30x20 base, mark wheel wells, and raise the chassis to 4 blocks high. Build the cab with angled panels and use glass panes for windshield detail. Add bed, lights, and trim to match the Cybertruck silhouette. Begin by outlining the 30x20 base and carving out 4 wheel wells exactly where the tires will sit. Elevate the chassis 4 blocks high and fill with supportive beams under the frame. Build the cab from the inside out, angling panels with slabs and stairs to capture the sharp profile. Use glass panes for the windshield and black concrete for accents, then refine edges and add headlights and tail lights. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future builds. Quick recommendation. I use the Owala water bottle during long Minecraft builds to stay refreshed and focused. It's compact and leak-resistant, which makes building sessions easier. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one too. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on materials to sell the look. Combine iron blocks and black concrete for a brushed metal aesthetic, and use glass panes for crisp windows. Place sea lanterns or glowstone behind translucent blocks to create modern headlights. Add slabs and trapdoors to trim edges and simulate seams, then accessorize the bed with rails, barrels, or chests for utility detail. Step back often to check proportions and symmetry as you refine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.